it's raining, I decided to still go metal detecting. My first find, to me, it looks like a double-headed axe head. So, I hadn't pulled it out. But we can see. Look at that. That's what it is. Third one. Third one. That's a little shorter than the one I got. But anyway, on to the next. To me, it looks like another axe head. Or maybe it's something different. What is this? Oh, I see what it's a hoe. Get it out. I think that's what it is. Well, look at that. It's a hoe. Can't tell you how old it is, but there you go. Alright, on to the next. Got a buckle right here by this tree here. Anyway, there you go. Still out there in the rain. Buckle that I just dug was right over there behind the dog. Now I'm over here. Got another one. Alright, on to the next. Railroad spike. Alright. Another buckle. Anyway. Alright.
He's a rescue. Surprise mom today with fresh dipped strawberries for $19.99. Some of the berries for $9.99 more. Go to berries.com, click the link, and enter code HOPE. Order today. Home will love it. Bring it on. I swear. Hello. Let's go for a ride on the mountain. Let's go grab a couple thousand friends and chase each other. Let's go make a personal best. Then be good with your personal best. Let's go bring the world's best instructors right to you. And yeah, let's go bring the entire New York City live. Anytime, anywhere, with anyone. And let's get it all right. Ready to go.
Welcome back to Inside Jokes. And last off, the guys put a bunch of props from South. So, I've got some photos of famous props from the show's history. I want to see if fans can remember how they're supposed to be used. Waterproof bread. That's right, waterproof bread. A, allows you to eat a sandwich in the rain or a jacuzzi. B, pairs well with damp meats. Or C, helps you say goodbye to condiments.
C. I'm going to go with A.
A. Jacuzzi, yes.
Finally.
Finally, right?